Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. And here we're going to talk about how you can install Python and the required IDE for this course, PyCharm. So the first thing you need to do is to go to python.org and also open another tab and go to jetbeans.com PyCharm. And PyCharm is basically IDE created from JetBeans that is specifically created to work with Python and is the best IDE used by users and the companies to develop Python projects. So knowing PyCharm is very important if you plan to go into the industry. But let's first things first. Let's download Python here. It's actually quite simple. Just hit downloads and choose the version of your operating system. So if you use Windows, select Windows. If you use Mac OS like me, select Mac. And once you selected the required version of your operating system, select the last Python that you can download. And here select the version that is for your computer. For example, I will select Mac OS Big Sur because I have Mac OS with Big Sur operating system. So once I select that, you see that the Python for specifically my operating system will download and I will be able to install it. Then you can go to the PyCharm page and simply click download, and automatically PyCharm will recognize your operating system. And obviously here you will select the community PyCharm, so it's for free, and you can obviously choose, depending on your Mac or your Windows or Linux, the version of PyCharm you would like to use. And again, since I'm using Apple Silicon, I will select that one. And now you can see that the PyCharm is downloading inside my computer. So once you have both Python and Eclipse downloaded, select the Python file and a window will pop up. So you can press here continue, then you will see the license agreements and you press continue, then agree with the license agreement and choose the disk in which you want to install your Python, and finally click install. And so once you click install, just type your password and Python will start installing inside your computer. Okay, so you can see that now Python started installing, and once the Python is installed, of course you will get the message that the Python is installed successfully, and this means that you can proceed with installing the PyCharm. So when Python is finally installed, you will see this window to pop up, and so now you have it inside your computer. And this means that you can proceed with the installing of PyCharm. So select the PyCharm file, and this is a DMG file in my case because I'm using a Mac. So then simply drag and drop the PyCharm inside the application folder. Then go to your applications and you can simply select the PyCharm and select open here. And you can see that PyCharm is now running to your computer, and now you're completely able to create project and execute PyCharm code. So for example, if you want to create a new project, you can simply select this button, name it, and then you have a folder in which you have this project installed. So if I select create here, you will be prompted to the PyCharm IDE, and here you will be able to edit and create different projects. I will select close here, and you can see that all the updates are installing while you're using PyCharm. So when you open it at first, don't close it immediately so you can have everything installed. So that's everything, guys, that you need to know about PyCharm, and this is going to be our IDE of use for the future projects. You need only Python and PyCharm installed. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next section.